Have a lovely morning to everyone. My lovely kids, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and taking care yourself with your family. Today we will start our new chapter according to your book. Let's see what is the new chapter. Chapter 2 Addition. Chapter 2 Addition, page number 29. So let's start new chapter addition. How we add numbers. You can see here, first of all, addition means putting together. We put the object together. Addition means we put the object together. Like here 15 balloons and 21 balloons. So addition means we add the objects, we add the balloons together. 15 balloons and 21 balloons together. Here 15 balloons and another side and 21 balloons and another side. Now when we add 15 balloons and 21 balloons together, when we take together 15 balloons and 20 balloons, we can say we add all of them. We add 15 balloons and 21 balloons. This is called addition. So addition means we take the object, we put the objects together. Let's see how. Add the following: 15 balloons plus 21 balloons. So how we add? Let's see. First of all, you write the 15. 5 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Second number is 21 balloons. So 1 in ones place, so you write 1 in ones place, and 2 is tens place, so you write 2 in tens place. Now add all of them. 5 plus 1. You always add ones place to ones place and tens place to tens place. Not like this 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3. Not like this. You add like this. 5 plus 1, you add ones place to ones place and tens place to tens place. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So you write here 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So how many balloons together? 15 balloons and 21 balloons make 36 balloons when we take together. Okay. Next question is 25 balloons and 23 balloons. So first of all, you write the numbers. 25, 2 in tens place and 5 in ones place. 23, 2 in tens place and 3 in ones place. So you write like this. And after then you add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you write here 8. And after then 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So you write here 4. So when we take together 15 balloons and 23 balloons take together, we get 48 balloons. We get 48 balloons. So now you understand how we add two numbers. Let us start. Let me see next page. Page number 30. Adding two-digit numbers. Adding two-digit numbers. When we put objects together, we are adding them. When we put objects together, we are adding them. The plus sign that is this is the sign for addition. The numbers we add together are called addends, and the answer we get is called the sum. This is the sign of plus. This is the sign of addition or plus. We can say plus or add also. So the numbers we add together are called addends. These numbers are addends. We can say 68 and 23 are addends. We add together these numbers, So these numbers are added, and the answer we get answer 91. So this is called sum. We can say the sum is 91. The sum of 68 and 23 is 91. Let us add the following: 68 mangoes plus 23 mangoes. So there are so many mangoes, 68 mangoes and 23 mangoes. So how we add? Let's see. First of all, you write 68, 8 in ones place and 6 in tens place, 3 in ones place and 2 in tens place, 23. Okay, and then add 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, first of all, you keep the bigger number in your mind. So 8 is the bigger number. So 8 in your mind and 3 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. How? 8 in your mind and open 3 fingers. 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So you write 1, 11. You write 11 like this. This is 11. So you write ones place in ones place, and this is the tens place. So you write as a carry form in the tens place. Okay. Then 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, you keep 6 in your mind and open 2 fingers. 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And this is your carry. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So you write here 9. Okay. So this is the addition of 68 and 23 is equal to 91. So the 68 mangoes and 23 mangoes, we get 91 mangoes all together. Okay. Next, you can see here are some pears. 57 pears plus 19 pears. You add same as mangoes. First of all, you write the numbers 57 and 19 and then add 7 plus 6. First of all, you keep bigger number in your mind. Bigger number is 9 and open 7 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 2 more finger. 14, 15, 16. So what you get? You get 16. How you write 16? This is 16. So 6 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So you write 6 in ones place and this one is transferred as a form of carry in the tens place. Okay. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And we add carry also. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So you write here 7. So how many pairs all together? 676 pairs all together. So I hope all you understand how we add 2-digit numbers. Okay. Math step. Changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. If we change the addend, like here 75, we write 75 first and then 12. But if we write 12 in first and 75 in second place, there is no change in the sum. Let's see how. 75 plus 12. 5 plus 2, 7. And 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So when we add 75 plus 12 is equal to 87. But when we transfer second number in ones place and 75 in second place, we exchange the addends. First addend is 75 in this addition, but here 75 in the second addend. And here 12 is second addend and here first addend is 12. So let's see how we add. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. there is no change in the sum 87 and 87. It means changing order of addends does not change the sum. It's clear to all of you? You can understand like this. If you add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and if you add like this 3 plus 2 is equal to, you get 5. So this order is not important here. First of you take 2 in first place, and you can also take 3 in one's place. You add 2 plus 3, you get 5, and if you add 3 plus 2, you also get 5. So changing the order of addends does not change the sum. We still get the same sum of 87. We still get the same sum of 87. Okay, it's clear to all of you? Here are some questions, so practice it. Spot check, change the order of addends and find their sums. 83 plus 14. First of all, you write 83 and 14. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And here you change the order. 83 in one's place, so you write 83 in second place. 14 in second place, you write in first place. Okay, now you add 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So what you see, the sum is same, 97 and 97. It means changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. We can exchange the orders. 83 first and second place, we can also write 14 in here in second place and here in one's place. So doesn't matter where we write the addends. Okay, so 1 is done for you, and B, C, D, this is for you. Practice at your home, and if you have any problem, if you face any difficulties, then you ask me and I will tell you. Okay, thank you, take care.